Hello students, from last lecture we have started fifth chapter of mathematics first, that is probability. In probability, in last lecture we learn some basic concepts about probability. We have also seen random experiment and its outcome, the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is equal possibility for each result, is known as random experiment, and the result of random experiment is known as outcome. In random experiment, all outcomes are equally likely outcomes. We have also solved examples from practice set 5.1. Today we are going to see next concepts, that is sample space. See the definition of sample space: the set of all possible outcomes of the random experiment is called a sample space. Means sample space is set. In last year we learned about the set and its information, how set is written and how set is denoted. Here sample space is also set. It is denoted by S, first name, first word of sample space, that is S. First alphabet of sample space is S, or the Greek letter omega. This letter we have also used to denote ohm in physics. It is known as omega. Sample space is denoted by S or omega. In each sample space, the all elements of that sample space are known as sample points. Means if we take any random experiment, suppose one coin is tossed, then S is equal to H or T. Here S is sample space. Sample space is always written in curly bracket. Therefore into curly bracket H comma T. Here H and T are called as sample points. The number of elements in the set S is denoted by NS. The number of elements or sample points in set S, that is sample space, is denoted by N into bracket S. In chapter set we have also seen that the number of elements of the set is denoted by N into bracket name of that set. Suppose set is A, then the number of elements is denoted by NA. If NS is finite, means number of elements in the set is finite, then the sample space is said to be finite sample space. Today we are going to see about the sample spaces of some random experiments. Suppose here we will take example of random experiment, one coin is tossed. If a random experiment is one coin is tossed, then its sample space that is S is equal to curly bracket H or T, and here Ns is equal to 2. There are two elements in that sample space. Suppose we take second example, two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed, then the sample space will be S is equal to, if two coins are tossed, then HH, HT, TH or TT are the sample points. Head on both coins, head on first coin, tail on second coin, tail on first coin, head on second coin, and tail on both coins. Therefore, NS is equal to number of sample points is equal to 4. Then if we take the example of random experiment, 3 coins are tossed. Three coins are tossed, then sample space S will be HHH, first sample point, all heads, then second is HHT, tail on third coin, then HTH, that is tail on second coin, and fourth THH, tail on first coin. Then we will write the next sample points in second line, H, T, T, only changing order. Here first was T, here we take first H, then second and third were HH, we have taken here TT, then THT, here HTH, here by changing order we take THT, then here is HHT, TTH, and last will be tail on all coins. This is sample space for the experiment. 3 coins are tossed and NS is equal to 4. Then fourth random experiment, a die is thrown. A die is thrown. We have already seen, if one die is thrown, then sample space is S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and S is equal to 6. If a die is thrown, die has 6 surfaces and each surface has the numbers from 1 to 6. Therefore, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and S number of sample points is equal to 6. Then we will take fifth random experiment. 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown, then S is equal to, if 2 dice are thrown, then the sample points are 1 on both the surfaces, then 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. In second line 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Then 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. Then last line, last row 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6, means 6 on both dice. Curly bracket complete. Here NS is equal to 36, that is number of sample points is 36. In your textbook, the sixth random experiment is card drawn from the pack bearing the numbers from 1 to 25. If there are 25 cards bearing number 1 to 25, then sample space S is equal to 1 2 3 4 up to dash dash 25, means NS number of sample points will be 25. Then seventh random experiment is a card drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. If in this random experiment, if we have to draw one card, then the sample space will be 13 playing cards of diamond, 13 playing cards of spade, 13 playing cards of heart and 13 playing cards of club. That is total NS is equal to 52. The sample space for a coin tossed twice is the same as that of two coins tossed simultaneously. If we have no two coins, then we can toss one coin twice. It means the sample space is same in both cases. Same is true for three coins also, means one coin tossed thrice or three coin tossed simultaneously is same. Sample space for the die thrown twice is the same as two dice rolled simultaneously or two dice thrown simultaneously. Then on this point, that is sample space, sample points and number of sample points, there is practice set 5.2 in your textbook. Question is, for each of the following experiment, write the sample space S and the number of sample points NS. First example is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. If one coin and one die is thrown simultaneously, then on the coin there is either head or tail, but on the die there may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. We will see some examples from practice set 5.2. Question is, for each following experiment write sample space S and NS, that is number of sample points in S. First random experiment is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Then the sample space S will be, on the coin there will either H or tail. First we consider if there is head on each coin each time, then there may be 1 on die, there may be 2 on die, there may be 3 on the upper face of die, then H4, H5, H6 means head on coin, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on die. Then there may be tail on coin, at the same time there will be 1 on die. Then T2 means tail on coin, 2 on die, tail on coin, 3 on die, tail on coin, 4 on die, tail on coin, 5 on die, tail on coin, and 6 on die, upper face of die, means NS is equal to 12. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously, then the sample space will be as given and the number of sample points will be 12. Then we will see next some examples. Next random experiment is 2-digit numbers are formed using the digits 2, 3, 5 without repeating digit. Then S is equal to, into curly bracket, first number 23, second 25. Here 22 is not allowed because there is repetition of 2. Therefore 22, 23, then 32, 35, then by taking 5 at tens place, 52 and 53, curly bracket complete, means there are total 6 sample points, therefore NS is equal to 6, means there are 6 possibility of forming 2-digit numbers by using the digits 2, 3 and 5 without using or without repeating digits. Then see next examples. Second example is the arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Here disc is given. Disc has 6 colors: yellow, blue, green, purple, red and orange. Find out on which color it may stop. Arrow, here we in figure arrow is stopped at yellow color, but if we here rotate the ring or disc, then next time arrow may be stopped at any of the color. Therefore here sample space S will be curly bracket yellow, blue, green, purple, red, orange, and NS is equal to 6. Curly bracket complete. Here there are 6 colors on the disk, therefore NS is equal to 6. Then third example is, in the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is multiple of 5. Here the page of calendar is given for March 2019, and the random experiment or the sample space, we have to write that the date is multiple of 5, means here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. S is equal to curly bracket 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and NS is equal to 6, means there are 6 numbers which are multiple of 5. Then fourth random experiment or fourth example is given from a road safety committee of 2, from 2 boys B1 B2 and 2 girls G1 G2. There are 2 boys shown by the B1 and B2 and 2 girls shown by G1 G2. Complete the following activity and write the sample space. We have given the activity to complete. Committee of 2 boys B1 B2. Both boys means it will be B1 B2, because we have to form the committee of 2. Committee of 2 girls G1 G2, and committee of 1 boy and 1 girl B1 G1, B1 G2, then B2 G1 and B2 G2, means mixed committee, that is 1 boy and 1 girl. Therefore sample space is equal to, here there are 6 sample point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore it will be B1 B2, G1 G2, B1 G1, B2 G1, B1 G2 and B2 G2. NS is equal to 6. Here we have explained all 4 examples from practice set 5.2. Complete the homework of this exercise 5.2. In next lecture we will see the next point, that is event of the random experiment, and we will solve examples on it. Thank you.